Promnest is a web platform that provides you with access to a prompt library that's nicely organized. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. I'm going to dive right into this here. I've got my actual prompt library over here on a platform called Anytype, which is essentially a decentralized version of Notion. I consider it a Web3 version of the platform, but essentially you've got the same functionalities. And as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of prompts here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put one of them into Promnest. So I've got this one here. I'll just copy and paste this. I'll add a prompt, say doing financial intelligence, and the prompt itself is this. Cool. Use this prompt when looking to improve your level of financial intelligence. Cool. Tags, let's say finances. Cool. We could have some example links, but I'm going to leave that out. Briefly describe the prompt's purpose. I think it was this here. Oh, that's annoying. Whenever I go and copy and paste, it just deletes it. Didn't know about that. Let me just, that's interesting. I guess I'll just have to type it in then. Cool. Build financial intelligence. Not sure why that happens. I think that's probably something on the back end. They should definitely improve that. It probably doesn't save the state of whatever I'm typing in. So use this when you're looking to improve your level of financial intelligence. Okay, should load any second now. Anyway, in the tags, I'm going to put finances. I'll just type this out. Use this when you're looking to improve your level of financial intelligence. Cool. So I'm just going to click add prompt. Cool. And we've got that prompt created successfully. And let's say I wanted to create an image prompt. So I've also got prompts for images. And then I put the image at the bottom. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Got futuristic sports lux, which is another image one. I'm going to go with let's go with this. Okay, and then I'm gonna click add prompt. Say, what's this called? Vintage Hollywood Glamour. Vintage Hollywood Glamour. Cool. And then I'll just paste it here. Just in a style that is at that. Vintage Hollywood style. Cool. I'm gonna click add prompt. Okay, cool. So I can see here, oh, they've both gone to text. Wonder if I can edit this, save them elsewhere. It doesn't look like I can at the moment, but yeah, ideally they should be, because I was on images when I actually added this prompt. So yeah, I think this is still very much in the early stages, but I do like the idea of a single place online where you can store all your prompts. Currently I'm storing it locally on my device. Anyway, let me know if this is useful for you, and if it is, then try and give this platform a go. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.